Okay, let's dive into this. Picture this. You've just got your brand new RC body, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's looking amazing, all shiny, ready for paint. And then, bam,
Oh, no.
your hand slips with the scissors, or maybe the knife goes a bit wild, and you've got this slice, this cut, exactly where you don't want it.
Yeah, that feeling. That horrible sinking feeling. Every arser knows that one.
Total gut punch. But here's the thing we're exploring today, that body. It's definitely not toast.
Not at all. It's totally salvageable. And, the key is really understanding what you're working with.
Right. This stuff isn't just any plastic.
Exactly. It's usually polycarbonate. You probably know it as Lexan. That's a common brand name.
Okay, Lexan.
And there's a reason it's used. It's incredibly tough, amazing impact resistance, really flexible.
Yeah, it needs to be, right? For all the tumbles and hits.
For sure. It's designed to bend, absorb shocks, not just shatter like some other plastics might.
Which is brilliant when you're driving it, but
Yeah.
that exact flex, that's the problem when you try to fix it, isn't it?
That's the core challenge. Spot on. You grab some regular super glue, something rigid.
Yeah.
Well, the moment that body flexes, and it will flex that rigid glue, just cracks, pops right off. Useless.
Ah, okay, so the repair needs to bend with the body.
Precisely. It has to move with the Lexan, not fight it.
Yeah.
So the material we're digging into today really focuses on how to fix these cuts properly.
And get a strong fix, right?
Yeah, the goal is a bond that honestly can sometimes end up even stronger than the original plastic around it.
Wow, okay.
So our mission here is to get that body back in fighting shape, looking decent and ready for action.
All right, so standard glues are out. Where do we start then for a repair that actually lasts?
Prep work. Always prep work. It's probably the single most important step.
People rush it, I bet.
They do. And you can have the best glue in the world, but if the surface is dirty, oily.
It won't stick. Like painting a dusty wall, yeah.
Exactly that analogy. So the sources lay out this three-step process, and this is crucial. You do it on the inside of the body.
Okay, inside only.
Only.
Step one.
Clean. Degrease. Meticulously.
Yeah.
Get rid of factory stuff, finger oils, any dirt. Isopropyl alcohol is good.
Standard IPA, got it.
Yeah. Or, for really stubborn grime, maybe acetone, MEK. But carefully. Test first, good ventilation. You know the drill.
Right, safety first. Okay, cleaned. Step two.
Abrasion. Gotta scuff it up. Lexan's smooth, see? Glue doesn't like smooth.
Need something to grab onto.
Exactly. So fine sandpaper, maybe 400, 600 grit, or a scuff pad. Just dull the shine on the inside around the cut. You're creating like a mechanical key for the adhesive.
Okay, scuffed up inside. Then step three.
Clean again. Abrading makes dust. You gotta get rid of all of it. Same solvent, wipe it down, let it dry completely.
Clean, scuff, clean inside.
Got it. That sequence is fundamental. Don't skip it if you want maximum strength.
Okay, surface is prepped perfectly on the inside. What's the magic glue then?
Well, it's glue plus something else. You need a flexible adhesive. The go-to recommendation tends to be stuff like shoe goo.
Ah, shoe goo. Yeah, hear that name a lot. Or E6000.
Or compatible E6000, yeah. They're similar, and the key thing is they stay flexible after curing.
Because the body flexes.
Right, exactly. And they bond well to plastic, waterproof. Pretty ideal for RC. But crucially, you use it with reinforcement.
Reinforcement. What kind?
Fiberglass, drywall, mesh tape. The sticky kind.
Drywall tape. Seriously.
Yep. Think of it like rebar and concrete. The adhesive soaks into the mesh, bonds it all together with the Lexan.
Ah, so it spreads the load.
Precisely. Adds massive tensile strength, stops the crack from pulling apart again.
Huh.
It makes a strong composite patch, not just a glue line.
Okay, that makes sense. So how do you actually put it together? It's all inside, right?
It is an inside job, mostly.
Yeah.
But there's one critical outside step first. Before touching the inside,
Yeah.
take some painter's tape, or even strong packing tape, and tape over the cut on the outside. Pull the edges together so they're perfectly lined up.
Ah, alignment. And stops glue leaking through.
Exactly. Holds it flush, keeps the outside clean. Then you go to the inside onto that prepped area.
Great.
Stick down a piece of the mesh tape firmly, then apply a good layer of the shoe goo or E6000 right over it. Really work it in so the mesh is totally saturated.
Get it all squished in there.
Make sure it's bonding to the Lexan underneath too.
Okay. Outside tape holds it. Inside gets the mesh and goo. And just wait.
Patience. Yeah. Let it cure fully. That's usually, 24 to 72 hours? Depends on the glue, humidity.
Don't rush the cure.
Don't rush it. Don't stress the repair. Once it's solid, you carefully peel off that outside tape.
Gotcha. Inside patch, outside alignment tape. Are there other things people try? Or things to definitely avoid?
Sure. Quick field fix. Maybe some Gorilla Tape inside can add strength, but it might peel eventually. For big holes, some folks layer Lexan scraps with the flexible glue.
Okay. What about definite don'ts?
Oh, absolutely. Avoid rigid glues. Regular CA super glue. Guaranteed failure.
Right, because no flex.
No flex. And another one, surprisingly, is traditional fiberglass, resin, and cloth.
Really? Why not?
It cures way too hard, too rigid. It'll eventually delaminate from the flexing Lexan, and if that breaks, it can create super sharp, dangerous edges. Not what you want on an RC car.
Yikes, no kidding. Sharp shards flying off. Bad news. So flexible adhesive mesh reinforcement, that's the ticket.
That's the reliable way, yeah.
What about the look? Patches inside, but can you see the crack from the outside?
Well, if you aligned it well with the tape, the cut itself should be pretty minimal, just a fine line.
And the paint helps hide it.
Exactly. Since you paint these bodies from the inside anyway, the paint covers your internal patch. And let's be real, any external scuffs from the crash.
Uh-huh. Yeah, they're going to get friends soon enough. More battle scars.
Pretty much. Function and durability are really the main goals here.
Okay, so let's bring this home. For you, the listener, who just felt that sickening slice on a fresh body, what's the takeaway?
It means that mistake, that cut, it's not the end for your body. Not by a long shot. It comes down to that prep work, remember?
Clean, abrade the inside, clean again.
Yes. That, plus the right stuff, flexible glue like Shoe Goo or E6000, and that fiberglass mesh tape. Get that right, and you create a repair that's genuinely strong and lasting.
Absolutely. It's about turning that oh no moment into like a skill learned.
Okay.
Fixing this one cut means you're ready for the next inevitable crack or split.
Which will happen if you're using the car properly.
Exactly. You extend the body's life, keep it running longer.
And honestly, there's real satisfaction fixing it yourself, isn't there? Knowing you saved it.
Totally. You put that rig back on the ground, knowing it's tough, maybe even tougher than before, in that spot, ready for whatever you throw at it next.
That's the idea. Get back to the fun part, driving it.